Today, we're diving into the world of online money-making opportunities with a review of 5-Minute Profits. This app claims to be a game changer, promising a path to financial freedom with minimal effort. As someone who's built a career on hustle and hard work, I'm always skeptical of such claims. But let's keep an open mind and see what 5-Minute Profits is all about. The online world is full of these get-rich-quick schemes. It's crucial to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism. Remember, there's no substitute for putting in the real work. Let's break down 5-Minute Profits and see if it's a legitimate opportunity or just another empty promise. 5-Minute Profits paints a picture of effortless wealth. It claims users can earn upwards of $1,167.45 per day with just a few minutes of work. This is achieved, they say, through a combination of artificial intelligence and automated systems. The app supposedly handles everything from finding potential customers to closing sales. Users are promised a hands-off experience where money magically appears in their accounts. The app claims to leverage the power of AI to create high-converting sales funnels, craft compelling marketing copy, and even handle customer support. All of this sounds incredibly appealing, especially to those new to online business. 5-Minute Profits heavily emphasizes its use of AI. The app claims to utilize advanced algorithms to automate every aspect of the money-making process. This includes identifying profitable niches, creating targeted advertising campaigns, and even personalizing the customer journey. AI is undoubtedly a powerful tool, and its applications in marketing and sales are opening rapidly. However, it's crucial to remember that AI is not magic. It requires vast amounts of data and careful training to function effectively. While AI can automate certain tasks, it's not a guarantee path to riches. The success of any AI-powered system ultimately depends on the quality of its algorithms and the data it's trained on. Section 4. Getting started with 5-Minute Profits. 5-Minute Profits boasts a simple 3-step setup process. Access, connect, profit. Users are promised instant access to the platform upon purchasing the app. They then need to connect their payment processor to start receiving their supposed earnings. Finally, they can sit back and watch the profits roll in, all within just 5 minutes of work. This streamlined approach is designed to be appealing, especially to those who are new to online business models. The promise of quick and easy setup was enticing, but it's important to remember that building a sustainable online income stream takes time and effort. While 5-Minute Profits might simplify certain aspects, it's unlikely to be a completely hands-off experience. Section 5. Exploring the features of 5-Minute Profits. 5-Minute Profits comes loaded with features designed to automate the process of making money online. These include AI-powered sales funnels, automated email responders, AI-driven sales bots, and traffic generation tools. The app also claims to provide a mobile-friendly interface, allowing users to manage their businesses on the go. Additionally, 5-Minute Profits claims to offer comprehensive training and 24/7 customer support. This is intended to guide users through the platform and address any questions or issues they might encounter. The availability of support and resources can be a significant factor in the success of any online venture. Section 6. Does 5-Minute Profits live up to the hype? While 5-Minute Profits makes bold promises, it's crucial to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. The idea of earning significant income with minimal effort is appealing, but often unrealistic. The success stories showcased on the 5-Minute Profits website might be cherry-picked or even fabricated. It's essential to conduct thorough research and read reviews from unbiased sources before investing in any program that promises quick riches. Remember, there's no substitute for hard work, dedication, and a solid understanding of online business principles. Section 7. Final verdict. Is 5-Minute Profits right for you? Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to apply 5-Minute Profits is a personal one. However, if you're willing to invest the time and effort to learn about online business and are looking for tools that might simplify certain processes, then 5-minute profits might be worth exploring.